everyone. You're seeing this beautiful guy and this beautiful lady over here. And on this side, we are talking to Kutwano, aka Uskai Goddess, and Habinget as Mishilo.
Good day, everybody. Yes, we are here as the Progressive Podcast, and we're being progressive as usual because we are joined by a superstar. I hope I'm allowed to call him a superstar, but he'll introduce himself. Yeah.
It's a boy Ulaz Mfanagama.
Aware.
The right. Thank you. Aware.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for coming through and sharing your presence with us.
Yeah.
Velik dala sigme.
No stress.
It's about time.
It's about time indeed.
And I'm sure the viewer as well has been wondering, what is Ulazi up to? And maybe he must just take us back a little bit. Uguti, this love for music, ikalepi, you know? And, tell us, Uguti, from where he started to where he is now, how has it been? Yeah.
Actually, I started music 2015.
Okay.
I was playing soccer, but soccer, it's not for everyone.
Of course.
So I decided early to go start music, you see.
Okay.
Yeah, so till now, Then I ended up leaving soccer because I was seeing same passion to Wiki Wonin Kopolong.
Okay.
Yeah, then it
Guy,
worked for me.
Gauteng or outside?
I was around those years.
You're born here, grew up here.
Yeah, Kasi.
All right. All right.
That's wonderful. And when you started with music, did you start Velika House or Kenakoyonaka House? Or did you try maybe other genres?
Yeah, I was nearly house Velerisa number. I was a collective guy. Yeah, Mara house actually. Before my piano era started.
Okay.
Yeah. I was a collective person, Krata music vele. Yeah.
At which age roughly? Because I know sometimes when you love something, batswadi or mohula skolo. So at which age did you now find your feet, and did it not compromise now? School?
I think I was at high school.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't know mangazi age by the time then focus guhanga.
Okay, passion.
I'm told then push.
Okay.
That's why I started vele. Ngalo age maybe I think my grade 10 era, grade 8.
Yeah.
Somewhere there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deep house nyana so.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then iskolo, ububalansa kahle.
Yeah, iskolo
You're able to balance.
Because ngeke bakuvumele without school. Because bazokutshela ukuthi esikolweni. Then you will find a job after work. Ganti bona de no gore next about the job. I wanted career vele like
out of music. So it wasn't a hobby. Like you were serious. Like,
being serious.
We were like,
being serious. Being serious.
Okay.
Being serious.
That's really peculiar. Okay.
I appreciate abazali or angithi vele sikhuliswa abogogo, most of us, you know. So I'd like to say shout out to laba bakhulisile ukuthi they allowed you ukuthi ulandele your passion, because most people uthola ukuthi abaza bathi they block you honestly, and so shout out to abazali abadala bakhulisile who allowed you to explore your passion, and look at where you are now. Hey, now you're catching flights, fast track 2025, we'll be going back and forth, but to where you are now, now you're catching flights because of this music.
Yeah, we travel most, actually we don't rest. Yeah, samba too much because we need money. Abantu kwamele basibone, we need to socialize.
I get.
Yeah, into kanjalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's happening now? You are fully doing amapiano, right?
Yes, I'm fully amapiano.
Where are you based, and when's galani ngawe now in 2025?
I'm from Alex.
Okay, Gomora.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
It's Alex.
Shout out to Gomora.
In Rezikas, yeah.
Okay.
yeah, even now ngisekasi.
Yeah.
Yeah, but uyazi umsebenzi angithi makumsebenzi isikhathi sokusebenza.
Yeah.
Anytime kwamele sinegotiate sibone ukuthi plan yini.
Mina ngizwile ukuthi uphesheya.
Yeah.
How is it? How did you get there? I mean, there's a lot of AMA artists who aspire to be like you, and maybe they feel, "Look, I've done it all la in South Africa. I've done it all."
Before we get there, can I kindly ask Uguti, when did your music career take flight?
Okay.
Like when was it when it took flight? Because all along you've been in high school doing music, obviously you don't get it right the first time. You don't make a hit song the first time. And then when did you get it right? And which song was it?
Being a group we are much you see. So it was not me only, babo.
Okay.
Yeah, being a group na machita. So we used to go to slangane. Si so bona someone no better than Tina. So as a konugus guide, such like
a mentor.
Yeah, but we mentor to vele. Mespeka ku into ezibhaya, yeah. That's where vele nathi siqala izinto zethu ukuthi ngeke sizobheka umuntu we-one why like nathi we must push ourselves. Yeah, then ngiyaqala lapho then ama-flight ngiqale catch international. I think it was 2021. Yeah, isidala ngihamba passport yami no is 3 this one now. It's fully very ngama-stamp.
COVID khona kula wena ngivaya khona.
Yeah, mara like my phela khona la iphela khona yeah. Flop bengabheki like nama date because like nama memories apaya yabo. Yeah.
Okay.
So yaqala kanjalo ukuflya then experience ukuthuka into uqala isela phansi and bekune hit song lazi guy one. So yeah, it happened to develop abantu they recognized since ila. You see. So it happens ukuthi nami ngaphela umoya ngibheke nasebanganeni bami namanye ama-artist ukuthi how they move ukuthi nami ngikhona ukumove ngaleyo ndlela. Yeah.
And also you had one hit wonder ne?
Hayi nama-hit amanye amabhaya.
Yeah, I know a lot of piano people who just make one song, blow up and then it's
enjoy the money.
Gone.
Hayi imali engome one it's too small. Amele wenza ama-hit abhaya ukuthi ube nemali ebhaya.
Now, before you blew up, how many doors, well, not how many doors, but surely you knocked on a lot of doors and not all of them opened. There was a bit of rejection here and there. Tell us about that phase. Yeah.
Because like, I was crying. I won't mention names.
Of course.
But yeah, Bangshi, abanye nabo khona la, but they don't aid you in turn who contribute to the studio.
Like about recognition.
I understand. And I'm kinda like abananda, but they just see us like we still boy. You see, mawuqala uthi abaphuma kuwe lebhlungu leyo, but now usanokuzibuza ukuthi actually what's happening. Until the right time come out, mara you remember what happened. Because vele mawuphela inhliziyo uzohlizi unalento leyo ukuthi this guy ungenze so must move on.
I think now maybe you had to change like mindset yakho.
Anjalo
abantu bakuuser because they see you as something to be used. You know?
Anjalo. Mara you know angithi ucabanga ukuthi umuntu
sisonke kulento
makaphopa uzokuncengisa hayi forget you have to hustle.
So in a way you can say you've been exploited before.
Ebabhaya bangiphayize
exploitation.
I think it happens to the best of us. It's one of those lessons. It's part of the journey. You learn and live. Live and learn.
And we are caught because amelunga bambi crash because semawupopa therapy vele uyaphola.
Therapy.
Right. There's nothing much really.
Okay. That beautiful question you were asking.
He actually did explain it. But he's been catching flights since 2021, right? And any backflips, push style, or has it been smooth since?
Go smooth.
Go smooth.
Because sometimes, but I used to stay home abona ngisebenza. Ngingaphumi ngisebenza maybe for 1 month. Ngiphuma ngokuyogika that's what now I'm doing most.
Okay.
It's so nice to see how serious you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, injalo, because when you see things, well, now you have to upgrade. Yabo. So yeah.
Because I won't be. I need
Yeah.
But like when we see piano artists,
Yeah.
we think they're not serious. They don't take themselves serious because of the genre of the music itself. You know, even the way
Yeah.
you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So it's nice to see that there's actually people who take this thing serious.
Serious, yeah.
It's an actual thing. Like it's a career
happening,
thing.
yeah.
It's not just hey, ngiyafika lapha, hey, gitara, you know, and then the song booms, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's lovely to see that. Yeah. So much what's happening with you, and I saw Guti you went to Dubai. Am I
Yeah.
correct? Yeah.
Yeah. Ngine record label, by the way, ne? Yeah, ngikoki t-shirt akhona, but it's not mine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a record label where I was signing, like Mkuzu Records.
Okay.
Yeah, so abantu ababhaya like ba socialize nami through kusebenza.
Okay.
Yabo, like yeah, ngiyahlangana nabantu. Yeah, anyone.
Yeah.
Mara ngisebenza ne pure talent, yabo.
Sure.
Sebenza nama big gun cause you
So
know,
it's
yeah.
like this record label.
Yeah.
You guys, Funana nama upcoming artists.
Yes,
Okay.
actually upcoming vocalist, producers, yeah, at covers, designers, like
Sure.
PR, yabo, company actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you only write vele bawonga wabo
Okay.
mawuzobona ngabo vele babuya kuwe
Sure.
back. Yeah.
So what do you do if maybe you want to find yourself into the
Record label.
record label?
Yeah, on my bio vele there's always email nama phone number, even
Okay.
on internet in a page yayo record label in a management yayo. Just go through it bazokunikeza izinto.
Okay.
Nabantu aba in charge as much as nami ngibheka izinto zami esayidini.
Okay. No, that's wonderful.
So le record label yiyo engenze ukuthi angifly
Sure.
for the first time because the record label yiyo khona ukumanage ama-gig ne-connection.
Okay.
I believed on them wabona ya vele kantayi izinto zizohamba kahle.
No, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I love hearing successful stories like that. Hey?
Yeah.
Hence why it's progressive like it's.
Yeah.
Because
Absolutely.
at the end of the day, we need to help each other at the end of the day. Yeah.
Yeah.
So as an upcoming artist, guys, you know, if you need help, you can go to Mkuzu
Records.
Mkuzu Records.
Ask what they need.
It means a strongful sound.
Oh.
Like yeah,
Mkuzu.
yeah, quality actually. You get the powerful sound. Any
Okay.
sound, yeah, it's all for dance.
Okay.
That's why it's a kuzu.
All right.
Yeah, it's a scoopu.
Scoop type.
Yeah, it's a,
Sound.
like joyful, very dance mix actually.
All right.
To hear that.
I'm happy to hear that too. And, you know, my question is always, I speak on behalf of somebody who's watching and they want to see themselves there, where you are now. And
Yeah.
they've also been knocking on some doors, got discouraged, got rejected,
Yeah.
got a day job, decided as in your spanale, maybe in retail.
Yeah, lena ngisebenza nami.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Short term, but
Mhlambe imali
Ngiyakhabaza.
iphelile soloka hamba knocking on doors
Yeah,
ozophelelwa
CCTV.
imali hambisa bathi yini
but they
your
try
track.
to call me, yabona.
Yeah.
Ngihambisa i-CV eNike.
Yeah.
Bangifonela abadala ungeze uzosebenza
Yeah.
but I didn't go because vele bengithanda lento leyo.
Yeah.
I've been patient. Yeah.
So there's someone who's probably also been through that, but
Angaphela umoya.
angapheli umoya. That's what you want to say to them. Ukuthi ungapheli umoya.
Work hard,
Right?
push, focus. Uzithembe.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually uzithembe.
Now, again, with now getting that international connection, you were assisted by your record label,
Yeah,
Akere.
yeah, record
So
label.
someone who's independent, how can they do it?
Yeah.
They have to work hard, yeah, because now independent it's more like slow than kuba nomuntu opushayo njenge record
True,
label.
ne?
Because when you independent, akekho umuntu ozofuna ukukusiza cause
Yeah.
une-skill kuphela
Awunamali nemali yokumhafa. Yeah.
so you have to mara some abanye bayangena it's
Yeah.
not ukuthi you won't make it
Yeah.
because vele at the end of the day it's a natural call vele
Yeah.
bangakuthola through ama-DM bona it's up to bona ukuthi bafuna umuntu onjani but for a
Yeah.
record label it's easy because ba-advertiser it's gonna be easy for you ukuthi bakhona ukukuthola because ama-advert wabo ayafika kubo yabo
Okay.
nama-socializing wabo bayakhuluma
Afika overseas.
it's a trusted company
Yeah.
babona ukuthi push movement
Yeah.
nalaba senigcina kusayinwa ama-contract ukuthi mawuza you don't have to miss the gig
Yeah.
nanemali signa lama contract injalo
Ben
mara
Fum-
like then umuntu wani wamele a-research naye
Yeah.
azame yeah.
What about ama-scams for umuntu independent?
Kuzoba nzima for wena cause mina ngaze bangiskeme mina yabo
Yeah.
I didn't angazi mara vele abanye bakhona baskemwa mara anyeke bona bakusukela independent ngwamele babona i-movement yakho ukucala ukuthi udila ngani
Busy ngani.
ini style sakho yeah what's your style yabona bazokuskema vele if bakubhukha bakubhatali akanjalo
Yeah, I'm talking about such things. Or uhambe overseas, uzithole usu-stuck e-airport. You know there's a lot of trafficking these days. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. So you need that security. Yokuthi yazi le nto engiyitravelelayo it's real and ikhona.
yeah
And how was the reception abroad? I mean, piano, I'm thinking Dubai. That's like Asian. Most of the people there, I'm sure they're Asian, ne?
Asian ndaba ngale ngaphandle like ku-mixed
Kumix.
ku-mixed like
How did they
Tanzania
receive?
kuphi uhlangana naye it's not ukuthi abantu bangale kuphela
Yeah.
so nimnandi piano ngale
Yeah.
they understand Mara they
it.
like trending ones because ama-pop-up
Of
angithi
course.
All right.
yeah they won't listen vele to underground artists
Okay.
lezi zuma chat too much
Okay.
because obviously like it's a streaming thing yeah pop up nangale they see the genre it's
They
moving
enjoy
too much
it.
nama video in South Africa babona ukuthi labantu banejoy yabona that thing so let's connect yeah I create piano ngara
All right.
yeah it's okay
But I can see internationally.
bayayithanda
Yeah, it's.
dominate
It's
dominate mara not so cause inabantu bayo yabona like kunamanye ama-event abayizwisisi mara amukela yeah there's connection kahle lento lengaphandle yeah
Since you're a piano artist, I want to ask, you know these genres, they quickly rotate, zashintsha. 1 minute we're thinking deep house is it, next thing there's gqom, next thing there's piano, now but there's 3-step, now there's likompo.
Hey.
Don't you sometimes worry ukuthi
sizophuma
ungabi too comfortable with amapiano?
ngeke because le sound le eyethu abantu abamnyama vele
Yeah.
so angeke iphume because still support abantu abamnyama
Alright.
and abantu abamnyama izoyaphi mayiphuma because like every day there's a new artist kupiano
Of course.
yeah into engichaza yadevelopa nathi also developing yabo yeah so nabanye I can see the other genre bayazama bapusha but akupiano si strong si strong
niqinile
insimbi sinabo baba ama gatekeeper wonke into
onsimbi ayigobi.
yonke into
And now iLikompo, when I listen to Likompo, I feel like it's got a little bit of that piano drum. You know?
Yeah.
How is there any similarity, kancane, or any, is it totally different or
different
100%?
Yeah, 'cause
even the
vele-
instrumentals.
iyanangesithi also you see
Okay.
because ipiano vele dominates around Gauteng kakhulu like
Okay.
Yeah.
fairly likompo nayo it can dominate Gauteng eMalimpopo into ziso yabo
Yeah.
but ipiano ithe sigcwele too much
Okay.
si viral si viral too much ukudlula laba amanye ama-genre
So you're not worried?
It's Durban you see
Yeah.
so angeke ngibe worried ngento
Ukuthi hayi niba diluted.
si viral
So even internationally, it's well received.
compare to Likompo Yeah, likomba likafiki internationally so eDubai ke bazobuza yini likomba.
Okay, in Leia Pretoria.
Yini?
The sound is a Pretoria.
iBacardi.
Bacardi.
Yeah, iBacardi can try nyana, but iBacardi.
It's not a threat.
Yeah, iBacardi.
And anyway, it's not a competition, right?
Yeah, it's a
We're just making music together.
Yeah, uthini lo.
Yeah, uthini lo sana.
Mina ngikhuluma for a side lami.
Yeah.
Thina si viral ku piano.
Yeah.
Won't go
You're
like
strong.
won't go out.
All right. So looking ahead, what's the future looking like?
There's kuningi man, yabo. Yeah, kuningi like qhubeka nange-tour, yeah, i-future yami vele.
Okay.
To go vele all over the world,
Right.
vele mostly njengabo Shimza.
Of course, abo Black Coffee.
Travel ngakhona.
Yeah.
Yeah, vele nama wish ukuthi vele ngidlala after uShimza lapha
Yeah.
eBali.
Yeah.
Ibiza.
Yeah.
After kungena Ulazi, yeah, I will be proud.
That would be nice.
After next gig isihamba so like such things like basplake la ingafiki khona.
Yeah.
They must open the gates the way nabo baspanela ngakhona.
Yeah.
Bona angithi baphusha igenre rabo
Yeah.
the way bayenza ngakhona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nathi siyafisa ama future plan also ukudropa music ukusayina abafana also you
Okay.
see i-record label ibe worldwide.
Ikhule.
Yeah, ibe worldwide ifike nase America. Kube nabantu yabona like yeah, worldwide actually.
All right. Now you as Ulazi, nokubona other artists abashama dance challenge, maybe dropping ngoma velati dance challenge.
Yeah.
Are you looking to do that or have you done that? And I know everybody has their own style. Is it
Yeah.
something that's ever crossed your mind? Maybe I can just,
Yeah,
get the whole world dancing.
Yeah, yasebenza because nazo ingoma maybe like ku catalog yami half is straight mara most of my songs i-dance chaya because bona
Okay.
yibo ba creator I just see tomorrow mavoka they pop up
Yeah.
then we try
It's
also.
the public that creates
Yeah,
it. Really?
mina nye ngisuke ngithi ngibeke so
I've always
I
wondered.
can't. Mara abanye they can yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thina asikho kanjalo.
I don't think they have the time.
We just deliver. We just deliver.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've
Then
always
bona they will
wondered
decide.
Who comes up with a dance challenge?
Yeah.
Because these dance challenges, they go viral.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
each song has a way in which you need to dance.
Yeah.
Thing. Like
Yeah.
you can't just,
Yeah.
dance a certain way. They'll look at you.
When
That's
artist
not
start
how
up
you
his
do it.
cut,
That's
yeah.
not how you do it. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's killing our genre also.
Is it?
Because like ingoma uzozitshela ukuthi imnandi kanti kuyaphambili it's not enjoyable. Imnandi that 5 clip like 5 minutes second. Yeah.
Okay.
And
5 seconds mean to say,
itself,
yeah.
When they do their dance challenge.
Yeah, let 30 seconds feel like
I
that part
get it,
encane.
yeah.
Okay.
Then when you listen, it's unmastered, ezinye. Not all of them. Hayi bo,
Unmixed
yabona.
and mustard.
The song vele. Like, oh, I like it very loud.
Abanye bangena
Yeah,
baphume. Mangalo umuntu mazi nge-dance challenge kusasa seka famous. Kusasa kwakhona usamboni because why TikTok. Into ebhora ngayo ubulala igenre yabo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I never thought about it, eh?
Yeah.
Hayi nonyeke uyijump because ingoma my pop up uyasho imnandi
Hey.
until uzwe
Until
story
you
sonke.
listen to it and then you're like, is this really the same song?
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
Zibhaye ingoma ezinjalo also.
Yeah.
Zithrendele zaphuma you see. Yeah, mara angazi ukuthi bona basayichubekisa na but it's a movement for abanye abantu yabasiza. For thina mina ngiprefer ngasebenzi for mina.
Okay.
Ngivela nginigaye nomculo. Njengoku example wabo Kelvin Momo umculo wabo awunama dance challenge.
Yeah.
It's just the spiritual music
Yes.
nabo
Yes.
kaza yabona.
Yes.
Yeah, izinye ingoma zivele zibe viral ngokwazo without the dance challenge. So lezi ama dance challenge
Eish.
inkinga.
It's
Hayi qeda idatha man. Eish.
usually zithandwa vele ingane encane.
Angithi vele ya i-youth vele ibhaya too much efonini compared to
True.
abanye bayasebenza
Yeah.
ngida bekho emafonini they just see ama pop up kuphela.
All right. So now you as a brand, how would you like to see your brand grow? just music, or you'd like to one day, have your own merchandise? Nje, ma fantasize nje ngebrand yakho nje. What would you like to see?
We like company ezingishilo company enkulu emhlabeni eSouth Africa. We're the best company producer ama youngster.
Okay.
Yeah, merchandise ikhona online.
Oh, ikhona.
Yeah, we
Okay.
deliver for free.
Oh, nice.
That's size only in the color.
Hi, bo.
Yeah, you choose.
Let us know six support. Yeah.
And injalo cause it's khona.
Okay.
Yeah, it's khona. Kuyangama season ukuthi balethi merchandise
enjani.
Yeah, but intwana most kufuneka intwana ezibhaka ukuthi nayo ibe ne catalog ngokwayo.
Okay.
Yeah, produce umuntu so sikahlala States.
All right.
Abona uphumelele.
That's nice.
Because when it's time to release vele. We don't hold you vele siku-sabotage. Yeah, so just giving you the platform. Mawushisa uyashisa yabona.
Okay.
So anyeke sikubambezele. Yeah, we produce.
Yeah.
Lana, in South Africa, we're entering a very busy season. It's officially festive season in South Africa.
Already,
so when, I'm sure now we're busy, super busy.
Yeah.
You're actually busy throughout the year, I know.
Yeah.
But now,
Getting hectic.
I believe now it's getting super hectic, and this is the best time to book you. And I remember I asked you off air and you're like, no, when are your prices shinchanje? Any day. Tell us about that. If a promoter is listening, or someone for their year-end function, Mishato, do you do all those events, or you're strictly a club performer, or where, and how do they book you? And bookings
It depends.
Okay.
That depends ukuthi indawo nakhona injani.
Okay.
For i-brand yabo.
Sure.
So ne-brand isanukhala.
Now bakufonela manje, they need him to go and perform. Hey.
So i-brand isanukhala, my brand awungeni emathavenini.
Okay.
You see.
Of course,
Yeah.
Okay.
So anything to tarnish the brand, TJ?
Yeah, angihlangani nayo. It's just strictly clubs.
Okay.
Nendawo ezigreni, long distance I can take it, but kuphi yabo.
Okay.
I-page yayo injani for i-brand ukuprotect i-brand. That's why like ni-international most.
Okay.
And i-rate yazi njani i-rate.
We have to negotiate.
Yeah, during the month basanukhala yabo.
Yeah.
But yazi kunala ustopa khona.
Of course.
But most unabanye kunalaba ngikhulumisana nawo.
Yeah.
Then I pull up, you see. Yeah.
Okay.
So if it wasn't for Guzu Guzu Records, do you think you'd be here?
I don't think so, because like Maui one, it's very difficult to go to bakuthembe.
Sure.
Yeah, so money like umuntu okusign like someone who's without signing like ukumanager ubeke uzobona now ukuthi ithuba liyavela because it's a company also. If wena uyabhayiziseka kusho ukuthi ne-company kwamele ibhayiziseke. Yeah.
So everything that you do is yibo bayiprovidayo, the team.
Yeah, now sanukuza nama-idea bona bazokutshela ukuthi anjani.
Okay.
Yeah, injalo.
You
Yeah.
can suggest.
Yeah, so anything you want because the contract it's not
Flexible.
Yeah, everything.
Because you're as artists.
And and I need to go. There's types of contracts vele.
Of course, you're 360, you're 180.
Ngithola mina yami straight vele.
Yeah.
Ngithola noma yini ngifunayo anytime.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm sure even Mauza we interview like this, you must talk like this, don't talk like that. They groom you full PR. Yonke into, ne?
Yeah, yonke into.
Okay.
Actually, mawulokukhula now you just see ukuthi
it flows naturally. Yeah.
There's no need to go to the company. I'm going to this interview. What must I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, because vele ngiyakhula nama ngithi.
Of course. All right.
That's really wonderful.
Do you have any other questions? Maybe Sky?
Ask more about the Guzu Records.
Yeah. Because I'm thinking, so in a nutshell, if you're an upcoming artist or you've been in the game forever, but because you haven't yet blown up, you're still an upcoming artist. They don't like it when we say upcoming artist, unfortunately. But that is the term if you haven't yet blown up. maybe try get signed. You have a longer longevity
Yeah, like,
than Mau independent, ne?
Yeah, no bunga sign. Just uzithole la.
Somewhere, umbrella, somewhere.
Those resources. Oh yeah, ukuthi nawe wakhona ukukusiza when you are alone because abanye they prefer ngokwabo. Ngikuphela it's not a must. Nami phela bengathandi ngerecord label bangitshela days ngiguzu you have to join.
Yeah.
I thought vele is scam.
Okay.
Yeah, so abanye.
How did you become convinced now to say, okay, let me try this out?
Because like I was the first artist then.
Wow.
Yeah, I was the first artist.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, shout out to Mguzu.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was the first artist.
Okay.
Still today, yeah.
You took the risk and it paid off.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not the hours, you don't know.
Until you try.
Mara, they welcome to come in my record label young up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but right,
So,
as supposed to move.
which genres are welcome?
Yes.
Hip hop ikona, amapiano. Yeah, that's only 2 for now.
For now.
Mara ngibawuze bakhuluma bafuna ukwenza amakwaito.
Okay.
Nalingoma lezi zama laba baphuma eMozambique, like they want to go
Afro.
amashangani bangazilesi emochibhelani like the other genre.
Something traditional, something.
Yeah, bafuna ukungenelela because they slept on it abantu and then bakhona ama-artist vele. It's not ukuthi so silandelele likompi wave.
Yeah.
No, sifuna ukuza ngento bafuna ukuza ngento yawo, you see.
Some genres are broad. For instance, hip hop. Lana in South Africa, we have your hip hop in
The hip hop
English and then in Vene.
Yeah, no,
there's
hip-hop also they
Motswako, there's your
corner hip hop where bangayenza nabo because yabona vele
Any type of hip-hop.
release
whether hip hop Zulu, English.
yeah anytime even nami no suni bafuna ungirelease yabona
Okay.
because no asengizimele yabo.
All right.
Yeah,
So would you advise someone who doesn't know how to maneuver this music world ukuthi assign into
ama-record label
this
ngumkhuzu?
one?
Oh, hayi bangeza like they welcome. Kunama-terms and condition. Kune-loyalty. You have to talk your story vele sibone ukuthi kunjani yabo. Mara bazokwenzela iplan as soon as possible.
Okay.
If it's working, it's working. They don't give up on you yabona. Yeah, yonke into right vele. Mara ma upcoming.
Do you pay to join or your talent
no
speaks
fees.
for
You
you?
can't pay for your talent.
Your talent speaks
No
for you.
fees, yeah,
All
no
right?
fees.
So it's legit. It's legit. Phela mawujojo must pay.
Clean.
It's legit.
Yeah,
All right.
it's clean.
All right.
Yeah.
Any final words to the viewer at home?
Stream music, keep on streaming.
Yeah.
Yeah, ulazi, there's more nama-artist amanye ngisebenza nawo.
Yeah.
And there's also gonna be collabos with big guns.
Okay.
Yeah, nama-album even the gents laba bakhona.
Yeah.
We're a lot there. There's also a new guy he just joined. His name is Soul the DJ.
Okay.
You see, yeah. So he's gonna drop an EP.
Okay.
So yeah, that's him. Bafocus kuyo no. Like
All right.
we are right now.
Okay.
Yeah, Tina Safuna collabo. You see.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Nah, music
Interesting.
video, they shooting. Yonke.
So you're provided with everything when you're under.
Yeah. And there's no payoff ukuthi uyabhatala mawuhamba.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I need to uzozwana nabo nge-negotiation.
Yeah.
Do you take it or not?
Yeah.
Now, who assists you as artists in terms of contracts? Because I believe that's where a lot of artists get it wrong.
Yeah.
And then cry later or need to find out that no, you just didn't read your contract thoroughly. Yeah.
I mean, endlini bekuno ubhuti wami yabona.
Who has a legal
Yeah, boku like ubhuti
brain.
wami vele. Mina ngilast born endlini. Yabo.
Okay.
So ngize nayo contract endlini.
Okay.
Ngayibeka phansi but asitutse.
Yeah.
Sibone ukuthi izomsebenzela na then
Yeah.
it worked then yeah.
So you advise artists to go outside with that contract. Ingapheleli lapha studio. Take your contract outside.
Isikhathi sakho, days 3, even 1 week it's fine.
1 week, 2 weeks, get
1
someone
month.
to go over your contract.
When I was already, if I was which means sharp.
Ushap, wow.
Mina ngiriskile ngibuyiselile.
Yeah.
And that company vele kunomuntu wazana nomuntu wakithi, so it was easy like umuntu wami bekayazi vele ukuthi
Yeah.
ukuthi ngiyabazi labantu abaphethe le company.
Yeah.
So let's go try.
Let's try it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's incredible
Because nami I was lonely. I was lonely nami. Yeah, I was lonely nami. You see, bengana chance, bengana patient. Yeah. Bengana patient. Yeah. So I had to go tight ngizame ngapha.
Yeah.
Uzamile. Nanti kuzovuleka as much as ushilo ukuthi kuvaliwe. Yeah.
All right. Look, I think we've had an interesting conversation, and we can talk and talk and talk until the sun goes down and comes up again in the morning.
Yeah, kunomculo uzophuma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nami ngizodropa this it's my last project for the year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's having powerful features. I'm a superstar. Then,
Wanna throw a few names? Was it too soon to tell? Too soon to tell?
No, angaqedi.
But don't say until it is done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Angaqedi ngisasele ngama few tracks nyana.
Of course.
Then yeah, ni track listing, you see.
So more begile when uzokhipha nini? Which month?
Next month.
Next month.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's too late already.
Yeah.
He's cooking.
Yeah, so Isam already.
December will be dancing.
Obvious,
Have the song of the year.
Kune challenge, obvious, ngihlezi ngisema chatting. I can take
Okay.
it.
All right.
September.
Oh yes, Temba. I love that. I love that. And your fans know you. Now back Temba.
Yeah.
You know, not to September. That's why you're here.
Yeah.
And we really wish you well. We wish you the best. And we appreciate it, even though catch up a flight to see Dubai, gupi mauzala ukhuluma sona lesizulu sakini. You know.
It's my first language.
I get it.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. Yeah.
Normally I just talk English kuphela nje. Angizicakekisi ngidla nokudla.
Ukudla, yeah, I wanted to ask about that.
Obviously fries,
That
burger,
side.
rice, chicken, steak.
Taste the same?
Yeah,
Okay.
but obviously zanga lezi mnandi ukudlula zanga.
I always hear people say ukudla kwale.
Hey, people.
Hayi kumnandi ukudla
Is
kwanga.
it?
Because
I love
like
that.
u experience into ongakazi uyidle.
Because let's bet ukudla kwangale, it's fake meat.
Because
Fake chicken, fake, yeah.
it's because bona maybe badlala amasushi angithi what
Or badla like the exotic
seafood.
foods. Yeah.
Is it?
Bazuzame mina ngaze ngidli.
Sky, we need to go abroad, honestly. I always hear them complaining about the fake meat. It's over this, it's over that.
Nakhona nendawo depends.
It's not whatever.
Sangathi itswayi nethuba sikhona right.
Yeah.
Kubuyile South Africa. Yeah, ngithola ngitaste one ngicakekisi.
I was like,
Great.
yeah.
There's no need ukuthi ngiphuze into zabo yabona.
Yeah.
Alright.
Vele ezinye like it's weird vele yabona.
It tastes weird,
Ufuna
looks
ukutaste,
weird.
mara-
Yeah.
Vele awungitshela ama-culture wakhona. How do you find culture yakhona? Maybe ama-restrictions ukuthi can't do this, can't do that.
Yes, I've actually heard about Dubai being a very strict country. Yeah.
You have to behave number one.
Okay.
Cause like laphaya like abantu aba different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Akusukuthi umuntu we-one uzathola omunye uphume Ethiopia, Kenya,
Of
South
course.
Africa.
Yeah.
So anazani actually la.
Yeah.
Yabo so abanye basanokuthandaza ama culture wabo. Umuntu athandazame nawe khona la.
Yeah.
Eish.
Kunama praying room, kunama smoking room, like everything they in order. Yabona.
Okay.
So when uzela into uyizele then
Yeah.
uzihlalele
Focus.
hoteleni and out. Yeah, mina ngaze vele noba ngala ngiphumi too much.
All right.
Just ngizibambela ifone, TV, Wi-Fi ngiba-right.
Nabangan, have you made some friends?
Yeah, obvious amangani bazohlezi bakhona cause bakushutha ama-video, amajita,
Yeah.
they love your sound. Abanye bayasho ukuthi first time isukubona, ukhulu, you kind, yabona.
Okay.
So ngigcine sisi-exchange asifulwana back.
Okay.
Kuzu Records. It's so, soft like.
Go to his Facebook page, his Instagram page. The link is there. The contacts are there. Kuzu Kuzu, he's everywhere, and follow him. And if you want to book him, of course, go slide into his DM, right?
Yeah, my inquiries on
Inquiries are there. You will reach out to his manager, and he'll be performing at your next gig. I'm Lisa Homa, 2 more, and I'm joined by the beautiful
Sky Goddess.
And it's a wrap. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It is the Progressive Podcast. Good day.
Bye.
Bye.